How to find activity log on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. After you click on Settings in here, scroll down and search for activity log. You'll find activity log in your activity. Then click on activity log and you will find activity log in here. This is how to find activity log on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.